In this video clip, we will talk about two questions. The first one is to use a coterminal angle to find the exact value of the expression sine 7 pi over 3. Do not use calculator. The second one is to find sine 7 pi. What's the meaning for coterminal angle? Coterminal angles are the angles who have the same terminal side. Here we have a 7 pi over 3. We know that 7 pi over 3 is 2 pi plus pi over 3. If you want to add those numbers together, let me choose a different color, black. So you should have what? Times 3 over 3. Downstairs there is 1. You make denominators are the same. 1 times 3 is 3. And 2 pi times 3 is 6. So 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi. Denominator 3 is not changed. So then you know sine 2 pi plus pi over 3 is just pi over 3. Because the period of sine is 2 pi. If the angle, you know, is this big, (60°), and you can rotate another 360 degrees, which is 2 pi, so you get the same angle. We call 3 pi corresponding to what? 60 degrees. Remember? Pi corresponding to 180. Okay. And then, you know, both sides divided by 3. You have a pi over 3 is 60 degrees. Okay, you can also do this by cross multiplication. As we said before, you always write pi corresponding to 180 degrees, and then you have a pi over 3. You want that. Okay, so you do cross multiplication will be what? Pi over 3 times 180 divided by pi. What do you get? Cancel what? Pi with pi. Okay, so you have 60 degrees. So basically here is just sine 60 degrees. What is that? You know, if you have a right triangle, I always do in this way. If here is 60, here is 30, here is 90, okay? Then you know if here is 1, here is always what? 1/2. Okay, and here will be radical 3 over 2. So you want to have a sine 60 degrees, that's opposite side over hypotenuse. So you know that's radical 3 over 2. Final answer. Okay? Now, the second one is coterminal angle with this one. You do the same thing. 7 pi is what? 7 pi is 6 pi plus pi. 6 pi is how many pi? 2 pi. Is 3 times 2 pi plus pi. You know, when the angle is pi, 180 degrees, you can rotate one circle. 2 pi is 360 degrees. You can rotate second circle, you can rotate the third circle. You get the same angle. Then they have the same terminal side. Okay? So they have the equal value. Okay, sine pi, which is sine 180 degrees. That's what. If you remember, the value is 0. If you do not remember, recall in the unit circle, this is a straight angle. This is 180 degrees. This point will be 1, 0. Remember, sine is always value 1. Cosine is x. So here the value y is 0. Okay? So this answer will be 0 for final answer. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.